Okay, daily vlog again. Here we are in the warehouse. We got our vinyl all cut up, fixing to load it on the van and head to the job. Let you see how we got it cut up there so we can see what's kind of what's going on. Okay, this is the roll. So what I did, I cut it, notched out. This is the right here. This piece is the big kitchen. I'm gonna fall down the hallway with this piece. What cut out right there is right there. That's going to be the hallway. I mean the bathroom, and the fill piece. That's what cut out right there. This will allow me to take it straight in the front door right here, roll it that way into the kitchen, roll it that way down the hallway. Let's load it and get to the job. I had a couple questions, or I had somebody ask about what I was putting on the floor, and this is it. It is Planning Patch SC, and you can see high performance fiber reinforced skim coating compound. So that's the purpose of doing this. We're just skim coating it. We're going over it. See the consistency there? We don't want it soupy or anything like that. We want it to work good. We want it to be mixed up good so it spreads even without having a bunch of hard spots in it and stuff like that. So that is what we're using right there to go over the floor and smooth everything up. We did 2 complete coats yesterday, which did it good, and this morning we got just a couple places we're going to touch up. So that's the purpose of this here, fixing to go touch up, and then we'll be ready. Okay, we got just a few spots touched up here. Well, you can see kind of scattered out all over, just little low spots or whatever that I scraped over the whole floor, and anything that needed it, I circled it with the white marker. You see my circle right there. So we got all of that. We got everything ready. Now we are let that dry. We'll be good to go. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh my goodness, ain't you going to pull the commode? Yes, I am. This is the only bathroom in the house, so I got all this other to do. This bathroom will be the last room that I do, because I'll be seaming on here in the doorway. So I will do this completely last. I will pull that commode and stuff right before I'm ready to install. That way everybody here, me, my guy, the missus of the house, is not out of a bathroom all day long for no reason. Cock-a-doodle-doo. So anytime I have to match quarter round stain wise, match the stain to the baseboard. You see what I got going on there? I got 1, and then here is 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. I will actually, this is actually 2 colors. It's 1 overlapped, and this is 2 colors, 1 overlapped. So sometimes you have to mix and match to get the color that you want. But anyway, that's what I'll do. I'll do 4, 5, 6 little samples of stuff that I think might be close, and then I'll come in and make a judgment out of those options, and that's how I judge what to stain the quarter round. Lunchtime. Ever since I think about September 16th, I think was the day that I went plant-based, and since I started eating these little packs of food like this for lunch, I went ahead and went out and bought me a microwave to keep on the van. That way I got a way to heat up my lunch every day. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Alrighty, we got it all in here, rolled out. Time to straighten it up. We'll straighten it by this super long wall here because it goes all the way down the hallway. So we're going to straighten it up, start cutting down, get this cut, fold it down the hallway, and proceed. Once we get it cut down, then we will fold it back and glue one side, fold it back and glue the other side. Cha-cha. Waiting on the glue to tack up. And we are using, it's the first time I ever used this actually, so we'll see how it does. It is Mannington M-Guard V88. Never used this before, like I said, but nevertheless, we'll see how it does. And the trial I'm using is that joker right there. These Versa blades are awesome, and this is by all means my favoriteest favoriteest handle for them. I love these. Love this blue handle. It's a low rider, you might say. It's a low rider. Can't really see the number on it no more, but it's low compared to the other ones. I like it a lot more. And the thing I like about it the most is, see how this is squared off instead of rounded like the other ones. This feels really good in your hand. I like that. I like it a lot. So, we're not painters, but it kind of feels like it sometimes when we're just sitting around waiting on this stuff to dry. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What do you think, Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. What he said. Yeah. So we got the hallway done today. All this back through here is completely glued down and done. Worked under the metal and door jambs and all that stuff. Everything is done. When I get up to these little group of metals like that, I always just barely pry it up and tuck my vinyl underneath of it there. We did not get to the bathroom today, so I'm glad that I did not pull the commode over there for today. We got a seam to put over there and over here where the refrigerator goes, but we got the kitchen, like I said, and the hallway completely done. Same thing right there, just put a little bit of pickup on that metal and tuck it right under there. Everything's working out real nice. The prep definitely made for a nice, smooth looking floor. Okay, this is the end of the daily blog. I am now back at my house. It's about 20 minutes to 6, although I've been here for a little bit. I got done, I guess it was almost 4 o'clock whenever I left the job. So I've been here for maybe 45 minutes or an hour or something like that. We done rode the four-wheelers for a few minutes and stuff like that. So anyway, I like to put the times on these. That's why I will always, if I can remember, try to say what time it is whenever these are ending. That way you guys can know about how long I work throughout the day and stuff like that. Because I really hope that you guys do not spend all of your days. Hold on just a second, buddy. You want, okay. I hope you guys don't spend all of your time working, okay? Remember the saying, we work to live, we don't live to work, okay? Set yourself a little bit of a standard, and hey, if you can't get done, finish it tomorrow. That's what I'm going to do. I was actually planning and wanting to finish that vinyl job today. Whenever I started it yesterday, I was like, yeah, it's probably 2 days, but I wasn't going to stay out there till 6 and 7 o'clock each day just to get it done. So we make it a third day. Home life is more important than work. So put your importance where your importance needs to be. All right. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I hope you guys are enjoying these little daily blogs or vlogs or whatever you want to call them. I've had feedback from a few guys. They are liking them a little bit. What's your thoughts? Do you like them? Yay? Nay? Do I need to get more detailed on the installs that I'm doing? Give me a little bit of feedback. What do you guys want out of these daily vlogs, okay? Until next time, FBSB's out.